Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and today is another project pan update. So today's update is on my rolling 10 project pan where I take 10 makeup items and I use them throughout the year. Once I hit pan on them or finish them, I roll in a new product. So I always have 10 items that I'm working on at any given time. My ultimate goal is to finish 23 or hit goal on 23 items this year, and so far we've hit 5. So let's go ahead, let's jump into the update. First item is my Joas Macaron lipstick. This is in the color Raspberry Mousse, I believe. I ended up not using this at all in the past month, so no progress really, except for the little bits that have been getting scraped off by this lid continually falling off and ruining the lipstick inside. I think I'm gonna give this one more month, and if I'm not using it, I'm gonna declutter this because, again, the packaging is broken, which is why I wanted to work on it. It's such a pretty lipstick, but when packaging gets faulty like this, I talked about this last year a lot, it makes me not want to use it because it's so annoying. And for this one, the lid never stays on. My daughter is obsessed with playing with it because it's so easy for her to get undone as well, and it just becomes a nightmare trying to hide it or trying to use it. And I'm giving it one more month. If I don't use it a lot next month, then I'm just probably going to declutter it. Next item is a foundation. This is the Catrice TRuSkin Hydrating Foundation. Mine is in the shade 001 Neutral Fair, which is very fair. It's very light for me, so this is definitely only a mixing foundation. Otherwise, I look like a piece of paper floating in space with eyeballs. I ended up using this one 10 times over the last month, so a good bit of use. I don't think it's moved too much in there because this again is a mixing one, and I've been at the beach a lot the last couple of weeks, so I don't need very much of this to get to a correct shade. I don't have many foundations that are like super dark on me either, so the last few times that I've used this, it's actually been taking like little tiny dots and like brightening up areas, but that's about it. This foundation is also super finicky with certain formulas of other foundations, so sometimes if I use this, it clings to my pores really weird and just looks funny. So I have to be careful with what I use this with, and overall, this is going to take me all year to get through. I already know it's going to take all year. I'll probably get more use towards the end of the year, obviously, because I'll lose the little bit of tan that I usually get during the summer. But otherwise, yeah, this is gonna be a while. This powder is the next item, and I think this one will actually be gone next month, or maybe roll over into the following, but I think I could probably get this out next month. And that's my Pacifica Cherry Velvet Loose Setting Powder. I do love this powder, but there is not much left in there. We're like right here at the bottom. I tend to go through powders pretty quickly because this is one thing that I will do in touch up because I get really oily around my nose and I don't like it. So I do tend to powder there frequently, and I do powder my whole face when I'm done with my makeup. I always do. I used to never set my face with powder, which thinking back on, I'm like, how did I do that? Because I can't stand the feeling of wet foundation or BB creams on my face anymore. I don't like the way it feels, so that's why I have to set like my whole face. Just the thing, even though I have like dry areas on my face too, I still have to set it. I just don't like the way foundation feels. If it's not set or if it doesn't set down itself. Most of my BB creams especially don't, but I tend to go through powder pretty quickly. Over the last month I used it 8 times, so pretty decent use on this guy again. Probably if I can use it every day that I do my makeup, this will probably be gone next month. My CoverGirl blush is the next item, and this was actually one of my focus items over the past month. I ended up using it 6 times, which was more than I used it the month previous, but not more than I've used it overall. I tend to be gravitating away from this one a little bit because I do find that certain times it looks a little weird on me because it does have a shift to it. It started looking muddy on me sometimes, or if it was because I was mixing it with the bronzer too much. I'm not sure what happened, but there was a few times I used it where I was like, oh, that doesn't look good, and I stopped reaching for it and started reaching for other things instead. I'm hoping that it was just me being heavy-handed or something like that, and I'll get back to using this a little bit more. But overall, 6 uses isn't the most in this. It is slowly wearing away. Again, this isn't a product that I want to finish this year. It's just I want to hit pan on it, so I'm not too worried about it, even though I know blushes take a really long time. We'll see. I don't know why it was looking muddy. It just, maybe I was having a bad makeup month, you know? Next item is one that's just gonna keep holding on forever because I love it so much, and it's my Avatar and Colourpop lip mask. This is the Uncle Eero one, and it's scented like jasmine tea and tastes like jasmine tea. It's super nice. There's honestly not that much left in there. It's like right at the bottom. I will finish this probably this upcoming month. I have been using this basically every night. I tallied 10 uses. I've probably used it more than that. It's hard for me to remember sometimes in the morning to tally because I use it right before I go to bed, and then I usually tally in the morning. I forget sometimes. I tend to try to use it almost every night unless I'm completely tired and just like pass out. But most nights I use it. And I don't need much. It's like a little tiny dab and then like on my bottom lip, and then I can pretty much put it on all of my lips, all over my lips, and it will be there in the morning. Such a good lip mask. I wish they would bring it back, but I don't think they're going to. This next one, I tried to let it settle and I don't see any sort of line of demarcation, so I don't know if it's moved at all, but it's my Elizabeth Arden like sample size lip gloss. I've used this 4 times over the past month. This was also a focus item, which I know 4 doesn't sound like a lot, but that's more than I've used it since I've rolled it in. So I'm happy that I used it a little bit more. I don't know if it's settled any in there. It's not much use. I don't really know how much is really in here because I'm sure when the doe foot comes out, like it displaces a lot of product. So who knows? This is a really pretty color. It's just not one that I reach for a ton. It's not like an everyday shade for me. It's super bright. I actually had it on earlier and it already faded. So let me show you. When I wear it, I only put it like on the inner rim of my lips because I think it's overpowering if I put it all over my lips because it's just really bright. It is very pretty. It's very comfortable. It's a nice lip gloss. But again, I don't know how much is in here. I tend to go through lip glosses relatively quickly, usually. I just need to use them more. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all I need to do. Next item is a concealer, and this is my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer, and I tried to let this one settle as well. It's been sitting upright for a while, but I don't see any lines in this one either. I ended up using this one 10 times over the last month, and that's pretty good actually because I don't use concealer every day because I tend to just, lately I've just been doing BB cream all over my face with powder and eyebrows mascara, and that's been like my go-to most days. This amount of makeup that I'm wearing now is more than I typically wear, and it's because I knew I was gonna film. It's just easier. 5 minutes to do my whole face is very nice to do like first thing in the morning, but don't reach for this every day. I do really like this concealer. It's a little pale for me right now, I think, but it does a really nice job of brightening up. It doesn't fully cover blue. Like if you're like me and you can see your veins are under your eyes, it doesn't fully cover that for me, which is a little disappointing. But otherwise it sits really nice. It doesn't really crease on me too badly. Actually, I don't remember it creasing on me like hardly at all, as long as I set it. And yeah, decent for a super affordable concealer. Following that, I have my bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Slowly working my way through that. I can't remember if I said I wanted to finish this or just hit pan on this year. But either way, I'm making really good progress. There's actually like a nice sizable dip in there now. I use this every single time I do my makeup. Every single time. So it's getting the most use out of it that it possibly can. I haven't reached for a different bronzer at all, and with summer coming up I've been piling this on a little bit more because I can get away with it a little bit better. Over the last month I used it 20 times, so that's the most I've used anything. But like I said, if I put any sort of makeup on my face, even like those days that I said it's just BB cream and powder, I probably throw a little bit of bronzer on as well, and then I'll sometimes throw this onto my eyelids if I'm not doing eyeshadow that day, just to give me a little bit more dimension to my hooded lids. So I use this the most out of anything in my makeup collection probably at this point, besides lip balms. 20 uses out of that guy. I'm not too worried about it. I'm using it as much as I can. If I don't hit pan on it, it's not because I didn't try. It's just because there's more product than I bargained for. And then last item that I currently have in is this other blush. I have so many blushes in project pans this year. This is the Pixi by Petra frankened blush that I made last year, and we're slowly expanding that pan down there at the bottom. I'm really hoping I can get this out of here this year, but probably even if I'm not fully finished with this by the end of the year, I'll probably declutter it. I've had it for a long time. It's been in 2 projects at this point, 2 year-long projects. So after that, I think I got all of the worth out of this, and it's just a really nice blush. It's actually the blush I'm wearing today. It's super subtle, pretty, shimmery. It's a frankened beauty. So I love this. I will continue to use it and enjoy it. Over the last month, I used it 3 times, so not that many, but I have another blush in this and a blush in a different project, so plenty of blushes to go around. I can only put so many blushes on my face. I mean, I guess I could put all of them on my face if I really wanted to, but do I really want to? Not really. Maybe 2, but 3 seems a little much. And that, guys, is the entire update. This was a pretty low-key update. I feel like I used everything really well, but just nothing is close to being finished. So it's kind of that middle of the road part of the project where it's like I'm continually working on things, but nothing is super close. It's definitely gonna be probably a couple months before we see any major progress. Probably the biggest update that we'll have coming up will be this Pacifica powder. This will be the next one that probably gets finished, and this lip mask. But other than that, everything else I think is going to be so slow moving, or at least appear slow moving, because again, I think I did overall a pretty good job of using my items over the last month. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Thank you so much for enjoying my project pans. If you did like the video, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if for any reason you haven't, and remember, there's always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you in my next video. Bye!
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that